everyone, I am now in my hotel room here in Belmont, Newport. It's very near Sun. Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Good morning! It's a special day, kaya ako kayo isasama. So, it's Athena's Pantheon 2025 at na-invite tayo. It's a 3-day event na gaganapin sa Marriott Hotel sa Pasay for day 1 and then sa EK for day 2 and then sa third day, Marriott Hotel ulit. So, sobrang ganda ng mga magiging event for days 1 to 3 and dapat niyong abangan to. And ayun, naka-prepare na ako, pupunta na ako sa hotel pero kumakain muna ako. And see you later sa hotel.
Tingnan ako siya pag-practice mo. Very mag-isang
Hello folks, I'm finally here in our hotel and it's beautiful. Ito yung shower room and the sink there and the toilet in the door and I'm getting prepared for today's event. Kanina I've just passed security, went to the front desk, asked for my key card, and went here. I'm here at 4:25 p.m. and 5 yung event, so I need to freshen up and be prepared for the event. Yan, papakita ko yung suot ko mamaya. And nag-request ako ng plancha pero wala pa. Sorry guys, I'm so hungry. See you later. I am now in my hotel room here in Belmont, Newport. So it's very near sa NAIA Terminal 3 and I would just like to tell you the story of how I went here. So I was thinking of either riding joyride or a bus from PTEX going here, pero I chose the cheaper one which is going through a bus, but that cost me a lot of time kasi traffic and all, but it's just worth 21 pesos. But if I chose riding the joyride, it is 91 pesos, which is much more costly, but it's okay because I've been here on time and it's actually 4:53 p.m. already and our call time there sa kabila sa Marriott is 5 p.m. Pero I took the opportunity kasi umalis yung roommate ko dito. Ayan. Dala yung bed dito and I have my own roommate assigned by Athena randomly. So ayun, when I went here, nagbihis agad ako. Naligo agad ako. Ayan. Outfit check. Ayan. So, sobrang fitted nung jeans ko kasi sa mama ko to. And ayun, bumili lang ako ng ganitong kuro-corona. And then, meron ako nitong ganito. Binili ko lang din siya sa Shopee. Tapos ayun, nag-relo lang ako. White na long sleeves. Tapos yun nga. Tapos black shoes. Napakuha akong bagay eh. Kasi pinagtagbi-tagbi ko lang yun on my mind. Pero ayun, this is my outfit for today. And the theme is modern deities. Tapos nagbigay si Athena ng figures and ng pictures kung ano yung dapat yung itsura namin. So ayun nga, meron nga dapat mga gold accessories kasi nga modern deities daw. Pero ayun, formal pa rin kasi it's a formal event by Athena. Tapos ayun, room tour. So ang ganda ng room namin. So of course, meron kaming keycard. The keycard is brown. Ayan, parang siyang made out of wood, bamboo. Tignan natin, baka mamatay. Ayan. And when you go to the bathroom, ayan, ang una nyo makikita ay ang toilet. With bidet, of course. And then, we have here the kits that I have provided. Dental kit, vanity kit. So, I have already used my shaving kit. Here it is, a while ago. Although, may dala ko. And then, this is their shower room. This is the sink. They have glass in there. I don't know what's that for. Maybe for brushing my teeth. And then, here's the shower room. So, ayan. They have an exclusive with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Meron soap. Of course, I didn't use that because dalawa kami sa room. So, yeah. And sorry, it's a bit messy kasi kararating ko nga lang and I've rushed things. So here are my clothes, my towel, my pants that I wore a while ago. The beds, my TV yan. And ayan. Meron kaming libreng water. And we have blower, of course. So ayun, yung gamit ni Kuya. I forgot his name, actually. So ayun, I will be going out. Pero I need to fix several things muna. Ito, gusto ko itupi itong ano ko. It will be hard on my own. Tapos lilinisin ko yung shoes ko kasi it's so dirty. Tagal ko nang hindi nasuot tong black shoes ko. Tapos itatago ko pa yung socks ko kasi medyo lumalawit-lawit siya. Ayun lang naman, and I'm gonna clean up my things. I'm excited. I'm a bit nervous. Kasi I'm gonna see the people who I've met when I was training for Athena. And I'm excited to see my new teammates kasi. I was assigned to a new operations manager just some weeks ago. And I'm excited to meet them. At the same time, I'm nervous kasi baka kung anong expectations nila sa akin. But yeah, see you there sa Marriott. Ang ganda sa Belmont Hotel, by the way. That's our hotel. Belmont Hotel. Ganda. Oy, may Starbucks sa ilalim. It's my birthday month, so I'm gonna have my free Starbucks. Tignan mo how cute. Ang cute kasi we are all in white. Successfully entered. Look, Athena Pantheon 2025. Marriott Grand Ballroom, January 2022. Oh, how cute. Everyone's in white. Look how busy it is. That's my training mate, VIANNE. That's our foods. Oh, milo ka muna, VIANNE. I-edit ko to. Ano, vlog-vlogan. Oh. Hello. Yung iya. Olympian quest for icons. We've solved the Olympian quest for icons. Kumusta kayo? Ano naman yun? Beginner's Library. Baka din, may price din siguro to. So ito yung mga inikan na mga icons, shields, owl, trident. Hey, I have 2 updates. Ate Annie's in the house. Yes, video to. Ate Annie's in the house. And the CEO of Athena is here. Robert. CEO. Cute. He's the CEO of Athena, and he just casually went into the crowd para mag-hi hello. Ayan, kuha na kami ng ID. Medyo may commotion sa pagkuha ng ID, pero we'll get there. So they fed us first before the event starts because it's too late already. girls. Hey. So we're getting our food and all I have is salad. What? Protein. Protein. Look how magical it is, guys.
Or I can do it now.
Wow.
Good job, him. Good job, everybody. You are what and who made Athena successful. Josa will take the lead for our fireside chat with quite a distinguished pair. Athenians, welcome your chairman and co-founder, Jonathan Swanson, and Chief Executive Officer and co-founder, Robert Hay.
Sing along and dance along with me. Here it is. You said hello when you asked my name. I didn't know if I should go or not. That's how it felt. My life had really changed. I knew that it would never be the same. Said that I didn't know what to say. First time I don't wait when I whispered your name. Sabay niyo po ako.
Merch. Hey, tingin. What's inside? Unboxing. Unbagging. Ay, wow! Wow! Bibili dapat ako! Bibili dapat ako nun!
Athena M&M.
Oh, M&M's? Chocolate. Kabog! Sir, excuse, dito po ba itong sa channel?
By tomorrow or Wednesday.
Tomorrow or Wednesday? Okay.
Tomorrow.
Thank you. Tomorrow or Wednesday? Ayan, yun panalunan namin. Tomorrow or Wednesday. Nagpanalunan. So we'll be back. Okay, ano ang agenda? Kapatay lang yan pero buhay yan. Video. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi.
Kala mo na lang. Ano na? Saan na tayo papunta?
Tayo ay magpa-photoshoot.
Tara. Saan?
Sa lahat ng corners ng Marriott. So far, I've been loving the concerts. Kabog, Darren, ang gwapo mo, ang takas mo pa.
Tayo muna upo sa likod. I'm gonna sleep here until we get